Hey y'all, it's your girl Just Jen. We're back with another video. Happy Vlogtober. You already know what the vibes is. I'm sorry that I keep starting my videos in the car, but sometimes it just is what it is and you gotta, go with the vibes, gotta go with the flow. So your girl is in the car and we are doing a fall hygiene video today. So I need to go to Target and Walmart to get a few things. I'm also trying to do stuff for TikTok and Instagram, so it's like a little mixture of everything, trying to kill two birds with one stone. But I ran out of body wash. I need like some deodorant. I need some mouthwash, just like a few things. So I thought, hey, we can do a little fall hygiene vlog because I do want to get like into the fall and autumn spirit. So I want to find some body wash scents that are like catered to fall and autumn. So we're gonna see what Target and or Walmart has for us. So you guys are gonna come with me, and then I'm doing a few things again for like TikTok and Instagram. So I'm trying to stay like on board for all of that as well. So your girl's just doing a mixture of everything, y'all. A little mixture of everything. So y'all know how the vibes go. So we're gonna go to Target first. Y'all, so I am walking around Target and I found this super cute, like burnt orange fall color throw blanket. Oh, it says it's reversible as well. Look how much this blanket costs. Just $15. I have to get this. This is so cute. So cute. And it has like the fur inside. She's going in the cart, y'all. She's going in the cart. But now we're off to see what hygiene products they have. I feel like I'm gonna probably find stuff cheaper at Walmart, but let's just see if they have anything unique to Target. Yeah, I need like a little lotion for my car. So I see that EOS has these small handheld, small size, travel size lotions. This is in vanilla cashmere. Let's smell her. Can't smell her because she has a seal on it, but I think I'm gonna grab this to have in my car. We gotta stay moisturized, y'all. Yeah, I feel like I can never have too many lotions or body creams, and I think I'm gonna get this. I like to just try a different kind. I don't like to use the same one because they will run out and continuously get it. I just bought Rihanna's a read up on my Rihanna Fenty body butter, but I think I'm gonna also get the Nivea Cocoa Butter Deep Nourishing Cream. It smells so good. It says 48-hour moisture body cream. I think I'm gonna get this too. I just want a good ass lotion when I get out the shower. I don't want to use Fenty all the time because y'all know Fenty is not cheap. It's $45 for a bottle. So I just got that, but I don't want to use that every day. So I think I'm gonna get this for kind of more of a everyday nourishing cream. They also say this is a good body oil mist by Aveeno. I've never bought it, so I'm gonna try this as well. It's on sale. It was $12.49, now it's $9.99. All right, y'all, we are leaving Target. I didn't do too bad. I spent like $80, but that's including because I got a blanket and a couple of tops that I saw. So it wasn't just the hygiene products, but I felt like I could find a lot of the hygiene products that I want at Walmart for a bit cheaper. So I didn't get every single thing that I needed. So we're gonna go to Walmart now and look for like deodorant, body wash, and mouthwash and stuff like that. So off to Walmart we go. So y'all, I need mouthwash. This is the only kind I like that they have in the bigger size. So I'm gonna get the big, whoops. So I'm just gonna grab the last big one that they have. Gonna see what this smells like. I got too much fragrance. It has too much of a scent. I'm just gonna get the powder soft. It's really light. Y'all, I don't know why literally only Dove and Olay is locked up. There's other body wash, but it's not locked up. Huh, Sway? These look like new body washes. I wonder if I should try one of those. I don't know which one to get, y'all. Aisle 223. Gonna try this one, y'all. And I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. We just left Walmart. I got all the required things that I needed. So I got my body wash, I got my deodorant, I got some hand sanitizer spray, I got some body oil, some body cream. Your girl got quite a bit of things. Like, we need to stay hydrated during the winter. Y'all know that's when we get ashy. So we got to make sure we like right and tight. So when I get home, I will show you guys the items that I got so you can see for sure. I know I showed you kind of quickly in the stores, but I'm headed home now. So I will show y'all when I get home. Okay, y'all, so we're back home. So I just wanted to show you guys the items that I got from my Hygiene shopping. So some of the stuff I showed you guys. So I got this Nivea Cocoa Butter Deep Nourishing Serum. This is a go-to. I love Nivea's lotion. So I'm curious to try this. I've never tried it before, but I use their lotion all the time and I love it. Like I told you guys in the store, I love Fenty Beauty's body butter, but y'all know that is not for baddies on a budget. $45 for one jar of that body butter. So yeah, no, I can't do that all the time. So I need like an everyday go-to one. So that's why I purchased this. Next thing I got was I needed a small little travel size that I can fit in my purse or my car of lotion. And I've never seen this before, but EOS makes little 2.5 ounces of the hand cream, and this is the vanilla cashmere. So I got that. And then I love putting on like body oil when I get out of the shower. I take my shower, I put some body oil on, and then I put on my lotion on. Chef's kiss. Again, we need to stay hydrated for the fall and the winter time. So this is a definite good body oil mist to get. It's Aveeno, and they're really good for the skin, especially women of color. So I got Dove body wash. This is Snow Blossom. Yeah, I can't really get into the fall smells and the pumpkin smells. I definitely don't want to smell like a pumpkin, but I digress. This smells so good. This is called Snow Blossom. This scent, I never tried this before, but it smells super, super good. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna try this for the fall. It smells delicious. Whoops. Next thing, we can't be walking around with our mouth on. So I needed my mouthwash. This is my favorite mouthwash. I use this all the time. TheraBreath. This is the Sparkle Mint. This is really the only one that I get. I love her, love her, love her, love her. I got her in the big bottle because the small one just ain't enough. Make it enough, but it ain't enough. So I got her. And last but not least, we can't be musty, so your girl had to get her deodorant. For some reason, I've been loving the spray deodorants lately. This is Dove, and this is the scent Powder Soft, because I don't need a lot of scent under my arms. I just want to smell fresh. So this is the flavor I got, or flavor. This is the scent that I got, Powder Soft. But that is the end of the hygiene maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys get any of these items, please let me know. They were all, the most expensive thing was a mouthwash, and that was $15 for the big size. But everything was under $15, really reasonable. Again, I got some things from Target and some things from Walmart, just because Walmart sometimes has things for cheaper prices than Target. Y'all already know how Target do. So I went to both, as y'all saw. But that is the end. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Happy Vlogtober, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.